about 10 adventures has been so tough.
This might look a little bit different than what we've been doing, and that is because we are in Sedona, Arizona at the Hyatt Residence Club. This is very relaxing, I will say, number one. Number two, my parents had points. I don't think you could say no to that. So thank you, Mom and Dad, on camera. We love you.
We love our tent. We love our 3-inch mattress. Do not get us wrong, but there's a little less back pain sleeping on an actual mattress.
So we're only here for 2 nights, 3 days.
We've been taking the time to relax, enjoy the Hyatt, walk around town,
Use up their very, very good Wi-Fi.
and get some work done.
Anyway, so we are staying at the Hyatt Residence Club. We do have a studio room, and it is beautiful here.
It is a 1-bedroom with a little kitchenette, a fridge, a toaster, a nice closet, a big TV, and a beautiful bathroom.
And don't forget the balcony, which they said was gonna have no view. Turns out there's just a pretty big tree in the way that you can see right through.
The cool thing about this Hyatt here in Sedona is that it has an Adobe architectural style. So it's very unique. The entire complex has shops, a pool, a laundry and ice room. We think we were the only people that have ever used that laundry room. I don't think anybody uses these. Here we are, bombarding it with our nasty laundry. A nice lounge area and robes you can rent.
And that is why we have these.
We went out of our way to get these robes.
Okay, these over to you guys, and let
Thank
me just go ahead and check them out. Okay, you guys are all set.
Awesome.
Thank you so
you.
much.
Yeah.
But overall, this is such an accommodating, great place to stay.
And you're probably wondering, why are you in Sedona and you're not doing any hikes? That is because we are strictly relaxing for these few days. We're just really trying to catch up on work and just chill.
After being on the road over 8 weeks now, we feel a little bit hiked out.
Just a tad.
We've been doing quite a bit of hiking.
We could get used to this, which is why we aren't gonna do this too much.
So when we first arrived, we looked terrible. So the first thing that the lady at the front suggested was the pool and the outdoor showers. So the first thing when we finally got to check into our room is we cleaned up.
Clean. And then afterwards, we just walked around the town and, like we normally do, edited. So after getting a beautiful sleep in an actual bed, we woke up this morning relatively early and I got us some free coffee. Wow.
And the way that we wanted to start our day was with a nice, brisk walk around the Chapel of the Holy Cross. So we're finally getting outdoors here in Sedona. So we thought the perfect way to start off our morning was with a nice hike up to and around Cathedral Rock. We thought we were gonna get there a little bit earlier, but that's okay. But Andrew and I love churches. We absolutely love churches, so we are so excited to go explore this one and to see the views and hike around.
Let's go hike.
On to Cathedral Rock. So we may have just called this Cathedral Rock. And then we realized this is not Cathedral Rock.
This is Chapel Trail.
Chapel Trail. So that was fun.
And then we walked around town, enjoyed ourselves for a little bit.
And then we ended our night going to a lovely dinner at the Vault and enjoying a beautiful view as the sun was setting.
And now we're here.
Now we're here. So I guess for the rest of tonight, we're just gonna do what we always do and edit a previous vlog that you've probably already watched. So hope you enjoyed that one and enjoy the rest of this vlog.
And we'll see you in the morning. No clue what we're gonna do with this popcorn. Sure, if we go early, it'll be. to our campsite for the night. It's gonna be a little bit different than that massive king bed that we had in our studio, but that's okay. We're gonna call it a vlog here. We've got a ghostly eerie town lined up for tomorrow, getting that Halloween spooky theme. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. I really want to. Oh my god! I just smacked the camera.